Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. Introduction. An infrared BGA ball grid array rework station is an essential tool for electronics repair and manufacturing professionals seeking precise and efficient rework solutions. Designed to handle the intricate task of removing and replacing BGA components on circuit boards, these stations utilize infrared heating technology to delicately heat and reflow solder connections without damaging sensitive electronic components. Offering versatility, accuracy, and reliability, infrared BGA rework stations have become indispensable in industries ranging from consumer electronics to aerospace. In this guide, we'll explore the top 5 best infrared BGA rework stations, highlighting their features, capabilities, and advantages in meeting the demands of modern electronics rework applications. Number 5. PUHUI T890 Infrared BGA Rework Station. As an electronics enthusiast and repair professional, finding the right tools to ensure precision and efficiency in reworking intricate circuitry is paramount. Recently, I had the pleasure of using the PUHUI T890 Infrared BGA Rework Station, and it's safe to say that it exceeded my expectations on multiple fronts. Design and build quality. The compact dimensions of 60x60mm make it an ideal fit for various workstations without occupying excessive space. The build quality is commendable, with sturdy construction that instills confidence in its durability for long-term use. Additionally, the design incorporates thoughtful ergonomics, ensuring ease of operation even during prolonged sessions. Temperature stability. One of the standout features of the PUHUI T890 is its remarkable temperature stability. Whether you're dealing with delicate components or demanding rework tasks, the station maintains consistent heat levels with precision, thanks to its advanced infrared heating technology. This stability not only enhances soldering accuracy, but also minimizes the risk of damaging sensitive elements. Number 4. PUHUI T870A Infrared BGA Rework Station. The PUHUI T870A Infrared BGA Rework Station is a versatile and efficient tool designed for precision reworking of ball grid array (BGA) components. As an avid electronics enthusiast and professional technician, I've had the opportunity to extensively test and evaluate this rework station, and I must say, it impresses on multiple fronts. One of the standout features of the T870A is its excellent temperature stability. The unit maintains a consistent temperature throughout the reworking process, ensuring precise control over the soldering and desoldering operations. This stability is crucial for delicate BGA components, where even slight temperature fluctuations can lead to damage. With an output power of 1000 W, the T870A packs enough punch to handle a wide range of BGA components, from small-scale integrated circuits to larger processors. This high-power output translates to faster heating and cooling times, allowing for quicker turnaround on repair jobs without sacrificing quality. Number 3. LI-M770 Infrared BGA Rework Station. The LI-M770 Infrared BGA Rework Station is a compact and efficient tool designed for reworking ball grid array (BGA) components with precision and ease. With its 2 heating zones, this rework station offers versatility and flexibility to accommodate various PCB sizes and component types. The station boasts a top heating zone with a size of 6060mm and a power of 300 W, ensuring rapid and uniform heating of the components. Additionally, the bottom heating zone consists of 2 pieces, each measuring 24,080mm with a total power of 1,600 watts. This dual zone heating system enables effective heating from both the top and bottom, enhancing the overall rework efficiency. One of the standout features of the LI-M770 is its compact design, with dimensions of 450,450,460mm and a gross weight of just 20 kg. This compactness makes it ideal for use in small workspaces or mobile repair setups without compromising on performance. Number 2. LI-IR6500V2 Infrared BGA Rework Station. The LI-IR6500V2 Infrared BGA Rework Station is a versatile and efficient tool designed for precision soldering and rework tasks, particularly for BGA, PBGA, CSP, and other package devices. With its advanced features and precise temperature control, it offers users the capability to weld, remove, or repair components with ease and accuracy. One of the standout features of the IR6500V2 is its dual heating system, comprising both upper and bottom infrared heating elements. The upper heating unit, with dimensions of 80 mm x 80 mm and a consumption of 450 W, ensures targeted heating of components, while the larger bottom heating element, measuring 2400 mm x 2000 mm and consuming 1800 W, provides uniform heating across the PCB substrate. This combination allows for efficient and controlled soldering and desoldering processes. Number 1. PUHUI IR8500V2 Infrared BGA Rework Station. The PUHUI IR8500V2 Infrared BGA Rework Station is a powerful and versatile tool designed for professional electronics rework applications. With its advanced features and efficient design, it offers users precise control and reliable performance for a wide range of tasks. One of the standout features of this rework station is its dual-zone heating system, which consists of upper and bottom infrared (IR) heating elements. This configuration allows for simultaneous heating of both the top and bottom of the PCB, ensuring uniform and efficient heating for BGA ball grid array components. The upper heating element measures 80 mm x 80 mm and consumes 450 W, while the bottom heating element measures 400 mm x 200 mm and consumes 1600 W, providing ample power for various board sizes and component types. The dimensions of the rework station L 780 mm x W 450 mm x H 260 mm make it suitable for use in various workspaces, while its manageable weight of 18 kg ensures easy portability. The station operates on a standard 220 V AC power supply, making it compatible with most electrical systems. Thanks for watching this video.